Hello YouTube, I'm doing a review of the K400 Logitech wireless touch keyboard. This is new. I got it in damaged packaging for much cheaper than the retail price. This is going to be a unboxing also, and I will plug it into my computer and we shall go from there. Alright, let's see here. Pretty interesting packaging. It's not really fraud proof. I don't know if anything about that. Comes in this plastic sleeve right here. Alright, let's put that aside right there. You get a starter manual right here. Pretty basic, just basic information. You have your important information sheet right here. Let's see how important that is. And right here you have your small adapter right here, your small part that goes into your computer. And I see something else in here. I think that this is a large adapter that you put the small one into. I don't know why you would use that if your computer has a smaller, weird looking port. Don't even know if it fits in there. Alright, now let's get to the keyboard. Alright, here's the keyboard itself. Let's get to the back of it. Again, I have not done anything to this, and for all I know, it is brand new. It has 2 GP alkaline batteries pre-installed in it. That's a nice feature, and there's a small hole here. I think that is where you could actually store your USB adapter if you're going on a trip or something. Could be useful. The touchpad has a nice little design on it. Click pad. Keyboard itself is pretty, good quality. It has a home button, sound buttons, and this is a pretty cool thing right here, a left click button. It's more, goes better like this, like just instead of going like that. Really thin. Has some pads on the bottom here. It's pretty good quality. If you can pick it up for around $20 or $30, I think that you're getting a good deal on it. Here's the box mine came in. They always switch boxes with their products, though. For all I know, this is made in China. But what should you expect? It claims to have a 1-year battery life. Don't know if it's gonna focus in right there. Sleek, low-profile keys, wireless convenience, integrated multi-touch touchpad. I guess that's a 3.5-inch touchpad. Plug-and-play setup. Alright, I have a laptop right here. We are going to plug this into this port right over here. It is in the computer. Now, I am going to flip this switch right here to the on position, and let's see if it connects. It's hard to see it, but I just opened up our YouTube channel right there, and it seems to function good. Let me type in something on YouTube. Reviews. Yeah, my YouTube is having some issues right now, but it does type good. Seems to be working good, and if you like to use it for your computers, it will work good on a TV, I think. Just plug it in with a HDMI cable to your TV, and it seems like it would work very good for anything that you're using it for. The keyboard is 3/4 the size of the original, so it's a little bit smaller keys. Yes, it is made in China. Good quality though, I'm not going to complain about that. that is the review of the Logitech keyboard, and thanks for watching.